Governor, thanks for taking our questions. I have mine is twofold. First, I reached out to the industries that are suing the state for decisions that are being made affecting their industries and their businesses. They argue that in addition to getting businesses reopened, they also want to obtain a precedent-setting and authoritative ruling that will permanently block you and health directors, and I'm saying this as a quote, from imposing any future arbitrary and unjustified lockdowns in the future. What is your response to that? The second question is vaccine related. In Placer County, an individual died hours after receiving the vaccine. Is the state investigating this? And preliminarily, what does public health believe happened?
Yeah, good. I'll have Dr. Ghaly, if he's aware of that specific case, to discuss that here just in a brief moment. But as it relates to the broader issue of effective non-pharmaceutical interventions and strategies to use science and data to make determinations of what we should and shouldn't do, I'm very satisfied with the approach the vast majority of us have taken across the spectrum. States, large and small, conservative-run states, not just Democratic-run states, and countries, for that matter, around the world that have led to these modifications as it relates to avoiding large gatherings. God forbid we go back to large rock concerts, et cetera, too early, or frankly, 5-6 months ago in the midst of this pandemic, when we didn't necessarily have capacity and we didn't understand the complexities of potential variants moving in and didn't necessarily have adequate PPE or ICU capacity, that we were holding large events with tens of thousands of people. Some folks, and it sounds like the folks that you exampled, support that. And respectfully, the doctors, the experts from Dr. Fauci on down, the overwhelming majority, I mean, it's like climate science. There's 2 or 3% that disagree, and you see them on certain networks, and then the rest of folks that acknowledge certain common sense as it relates to mitigation, the transmission of this pandemic. And so, look, we're going to hold to that. We're winning. We won 2 more lawsuits the last few days. It's not about that, because assuredly we'll win vast majority. We have, and few obviously will go through the process, and some have ultimately gone to the Supreme Court, including Justice Roberts himself, that squared support for one of our orders that we put out. But we feel like we're in firm footing and based on science and based data and based common sense in some respects as well. With that, though, let's ask Dr. Ghaly a little bit more about this case up here in Placer.
Let me begin by just sharing condolences with individuals, loved ones who life was lost in Placer. We are aware of the case. We're working closely with the coroner, the health officer in that county, to determine the details around the case. Certainly, this was an individual who had been recently vaccinated. I think also other details are complex and worth further investigation, and that's what we're doing now. I think overwhelmingly, though, we've seen so many individuals successfully and without any significant reactions receive both the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccines. We believe through the efforts of the FDA, our own scientific safety committee, who looked at all the data, that again, these are safe vaccines, that we're watching them successfully administered across the state, across the nation, across the globe, and that certainly we are very experienced with reactions and even dire consequences related to clinical interventions, including vaccines. But we are looking at this very closely and still stand behind the overwhelming data and evidence that these vaccines are safe. As we gain additional information, not just about the Placer County situation, but other reactions across the state, across the nation, sharing that very publicly, sharing the lessons learned, I think, is key to continuing to develop the confidence of our state, our public, in receiving the vaccine and getting us on the other side of this pandemic.
And I appreciate the point Dr. Ghaly was making as it relates to this individual case. As we get more information, obviously, we'll pass it along. But it's just another reminder of how deadly this pandemic has been and continues to be, either related to potential issues that are being investigated in that case, or just more broadly to the disease itself. 504 people on average losing their lives on any given day here in the state of California. 500 families torn apart because they've lost a loved one because of the deadliness of this pandemic. And it's just another sober reminder of why one cannot be flippant and just turn on the light switch once again and have everybody rush back to mass gatherings without any consideration of transmission or effective issues related to the impact this disease continues to have on not only our most vulnerable, our seniors, but those with comorbidities, pre-existing conditions, and other issues that could further exacerbate their health. So forgive me for belaboring that, but I think squares, I think, very much with the first part of your question as well.